Okay, that is going to be our topic today, and that will be in English. Why in English? Some of my neighbors specifically, and then some of the friends were telling me that I should do something something in English. Uh, you know, so I could talk about neighbors. That's not going to work very well with them. So let us talk about something uh, which I like to talk, and also the picture I saw that attracted that thing attracted me. That is it a racial issue? I'm not sure whether it is a racial issue. So first, let me explain what's the current status of the medical system. The current medical uh, again the same word I'm okay. The current medical system is in very bad shape to some, but it's in good shape for some other people, and some other people don't have either way. Okay, so who really enjoys this system? Obviously, medical industry, especially medical doctors. They make the most benefit out of this system because they designed and then they built this system. Okay, you go to your doctor, he gives you a prescription. You don't ask questions, you fill the prescription and take the medicine. So, when these doctors, AMA, American Medical Association, brings all these improvements, people took it as a prescription for the medical industry. Oh boy, they made a mistake. Who are affected, get affected? Poor people who don't have a good income to support this huge industry. By all means, it's not a racial issue in this case. Blacks may have less money overall as opposed to whites, and then some immigrants and all that they all fit in between this upper and lower, and then in between. There may be some individual filthy rich in blacks also, but they are very, 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 the percentage wise, I don't know whether 1% of the blacks are in that category. No. Some musicians, some athletes and all that in their situation. But if my observation is right, even lot of athletes who made millions of dollars end up as homeless. Then they have to come back to the system, and then they are not given a fair chance. So basically, the poor people, the poor people. The Obama came to power, and he wanted to address this issue. He did not go and said demolish the current system. No. In my observation, in my opinion, no. He did not demolish the system or rebuild the system. He added one class of people. There are about 25 million people joined that group. That group cannot afford this current system, so he brought a Affordable Care Act, that is for people in the low end, to make keeping the system same and make it affordable only for those people. I think in a nutshell how he did it, the same premium, but uh, what he did is he gave them money. I mean, he didn't give the money from the government. He subsidized the insurance premium from other sources, voluntary, gift and things like that. You can go in detail in the Google and find out where that money come from. It's not coming from your tax money. So the doctors who think that they pay a lot of money, and then their taxes used for some other illegal activities like these, they got furious. But then 25 million people got into that system, and then they are getting benefited. They try to change it, and then they were not successful. But if the doctors think only one solution to all, that means if you are a American citizen, if you are here, you have to follow that one system. That's all they are trying to force it through their, through our throat. If they think, do they do the same medication to everybody, rich and poor, or the same procedures for the rich and poor? I doubt, because I'm not rich, so I don't know. I don't know the difference between the poor treatment and the rich treatment, but I'm sure it's not the same. It cannot be the same. Okay. Uh, so that is the, as long as this American Medical Association has that kind of idea, one solution, for all, take it or leave it. You are a homeless, you are a medical healthless, or no insurance-less, homeless, insurance-less, foodless. All these guys join together, So when we need somebody to work, we will import the people from everywhere who is coming here and willing to work, and that kind of attitude. I can buy people. I can get people in a second. Millions will come over here. So who you are hanging in the air? Die early. That's good for us. We can increase. These are all the things that follow. So these comments may look like racial, but it is basically, in this case, the race is rich and poor. Two race only. Rich race and the poor race. That's all. So it's a fight between the rich and the poor. There is no fight. I mean, poor cannot fight in this case. And the doctors get away with murder. I hope you enjoy this. Be healthy. Pray God to be healthy.